Introducing the Bosch Climate 5000 Ductless Mini Split Heat Pump, a single solution for heating and cooling without the need for ductwork. The Climate 5000 is a great option for new high-efficiency homes and for retrofitting existing homes where adding ducts would be difficult. Plus, it's now enhanced with environmentally friendly R454B refrigerant to meet new EPA low GWP standards. Traditional mini-split systems can be slow to reach the desired temperature. The high speeds of Bosch's inverter-driven mini-split compressors provide exceptionally fast cooling and heating. Bosch offers two Climate 5000 systems, the regular and max performance, ranging in size from 6,000 to 60,000 BTUs per hour, with outdoor temperature ranges suitable for most climates. Vapor injection provides a temperature lift to the vapor compressor cycle, saving compressor workload while increasing heating performance for extra frigid temperatures. Add heating and cooling to new additions with single-zone retrofit applications. The multi-zone retrofit and new construction applications allows up to 6 indoor units to be connected to a single outdoor unit for zoned heating and cooling in different rooms. Pair outdoor condensers with a choice of 4 different indoor air handlers. These units can be hung on a wall, flush-mounted into the ceiling with both cassette options, and even installed above the ceiling with pre-existing ductwork. All non-ducted residential configurations come with a handheld wireless remote control and integrated sound dampening to keep the equipment quiet, plus added features including Follow Me, Turbo, and Intelligent Eye. For contractors, the Bosch Climate 5000 ductless system offers easy installation and flexibility to fit virtually anywhere. Referencing the model compatibility chart when pairing the outdoor units with the correct indoor units is crucial for peak performance. Servicing is simple, with easy access to components plus minimal steps and time for indoor blower changeouts. Removal of wall-mounted unit blower motors and wheels for cleaning is also easy and quick. Take advantage of significant rebates and tax credits. Join us in redefining comfort and discovering how our home comfort solutions can empower your projects and delight your clients.